Hello, my name is Eduardo. This because of the COVID-19, I must stay night, so I am doing all my stuff return in my house. I am getting up, let mouse of the time. During the day I am studying amber clothes. When I am not those university staff, I have a lot of free times. Some I am watch Netflix a lot and I am posting a lot of time. Flex dating I my car too. For the as for has been nice are what is the offered by the Malik of very crude written in Los